am at Raphael House, which is along Dunheved Road, one of the most favourite roads in the town here in Launceston. The property was built in the 1950s and has been added to over the years since. It is a stone's throw away from the town, not very far away at all, an easy level walk, and also easy access to the A30 dual carriageway from here too, along with the schools, both primary and senior schools. There's 2 single bedrooms, 2 double bedrooms, a Jack and Jill shower room, and then on the ground floor, as you can see behind me, you've got a lovely sunroom which comes off of the living room, and there's 2 offices, along with a lovely kitchen and a separate dining room, and gardens both front to back. I think you will like this property, so if you'd like to view, then do give us a call on 01566 776 211. In the meantime, come and have a look round.